Hey everyone, let's solve one previous question of DBMS. This question was asked in GATE CS 2013, question number 54. Relation R has 8 attributes A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Field of R contain only atomic value and some functional dependencies given. F plus is exactly the set of FD that hold for R. How many candidate keys does the relation have? And 4 options are given. Here we need to find set of candidate keys. Let's find A positive closure. A positive closure will be A, B, C. Then from B, C, F, H. So F, H. From F, E, G, right? E, G. From E, A is already there. C, H, G, all are there. So A positive closure contain A, B, C, E, F, G, H. Next find B positive closure. B positive closure contain B, C, F, H. From F, E, G. From E, A. We got A, B, C, E, F, G, H. Now find E positive closure. E positive closure contain E, A. Then from A, B, C. From B, C, F, H. From F, E, G. E is already there. So A, B, C, E, F, G, H. Now find F positive closure. F positive closure will be F, E, G. From E, A. Now from A, B, C. From B, C, F, H. C is already there. F is already there. So we'll just add H. We got A, B, C, E, F, G, H. Now find C, H positive closure. C, H positive closure will be C, H, G. That's it. So maximum we are getting from A, B, E and F. A, B, E, F positive closure contain all the attribute except D. Hence candidate key can be AD, BD, ED and FD. As A, B, E, F positive closure contain all attribute except D, and in the functional dependency there are no chances of getting D. There are no functional dependency on D. That's why we need to add D with A, B, E, F, that we can get all the attributes. Hence candidate key can be AD, BD, ED, FD. We got 4 candidate key. That's why answer will be option B, 4. I already discussed how to find closure, how to find keys. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.